Hi, this is .NET GAN India YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you logging in CSV file using Nlog in .NET Core MVC application. Now let's start with the implementation. So I will going to use the same application which I have used in my previous video. So you can also see that video. I will give you the link in the description of this video. You can, if you miss that video, then you can see that how you can start with nlog in .NET Core application. So I will going to use the same video, and I will show you how you can implement the uh, logging in CSV file. So first we need to uh, add a target and its layout in a nlog config file. So first we will going to do that. So I have already designed one target and its layout. So I just copy and put in a targets uh, in under the targets. So here I have mentioned that the file type is the type is file and the file name is .csv. The now extension is changed, but I have added additional layout. So that layout defines that what would be the delimiter. You can also use space or tab. So in this article I have used pipe as a delimiter with header. If you want to log with header, means you will get header with the data in tabular format in CSV file. So in this case I have set to true. So you can define custom columns depending upon your requirement. So in my case I have going to log is the date label, means that is a log level. Message, what is the exception message needs to be captured. Exception, stack trace, uh, whatever exception is occurred, its stack trace would log in this column. Then this custom property, in custom property I am deliberately added as a custom property. You can add whatever you want, whatever as per your requirement. You can add multiple custom property. You can log your messages or any identical data to find out the exception, where the exception occurred. So you can add multiple custom property and you can assign that. I will show you in later how to assign data in a custom property. And so event properties we will going to use this is given, this is a feature given by nlog config. So now I have all set that file. I have added a target file target and all the file name and all that I have set. Layout I have set. Now next is we need to set a rule for this target. So just copy this previous one and paste it. Name is as a csv log. And here you have to write to this one which I have just added. Now save it. Next target is we need to go to logger manager, and we just need to create one method, define a method. Here error message, and next is exception ex. Okay, so this is what we have defined. Log error csv. I will give identical name so that we can find it when we will going to call in controller. So implement this method in log manager. So it is added. Now we need to create a one instance of logger manager, and it is, we will give some name to it. Okay, and here we will use the nlog config rule name, so that it will write to that particular target. So now we will going to use this in this method log csv dot error. Here we will use the error message and exception. So first parameter is exception, so ex we will pass it to first parameter, and next is error message is the second message. Then we will put it. Now I have already mentioned previously that this custom property you can set whatever data you want to save in this column or this kind of multiple column, even we using event properties. So you just need to go to logger manager. Now we will going to set it log csv dot set property. This is a method where by using it we can set that custom properties. You need to mention the key, so we will just copy the key from nlog config, just paste it, and then next you need to put a value, whatever value you want. You can also add multiple parameters here and just send the value, custom values, and log it. So I am just doing some hard code values for testing purpose only. I will show you later on. So this is custom message. So this message I want to log along with the exception message. Now all are set from configuration point of view. Now we just need to call it and use it. So we will going to use our newly added method log error csv. Okay, then we just need to pass a parameter. First parameter is error message, so we will put some custom message. This is error in index method, and then pass the exception object. So all set. Now everything is done, configuration is done. We are called the method newly method in controller to test it. So now we will check it how it works. So just click on play button and let's see what the result would be. Application executed. So just check, exception occurred. Now we will check the output. Our path is this. So you can see that the .csv file has been generated automatically by Nlog. So let's see what log is saved in this file. So you can see date, level, whatever custom columns we have added. This custom property you can see that the message we have just passed in the nlog is logged in, and this is how you can uh, log your all the exception messages in a CSV file using nlog. Thank you for watching. Good day. Thank you for watching the tutorial at .NET Gyan India YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel for the regular updates. Thank you.